Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make torijaga. There is a very classic Japanese dish called Nikujaga, which is beef and potato stew, and today I'm making chicken version of it. You just need to put everything in the pot and braid, so it's so easy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this torijaga, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh, 1 onion, 3 potato, 1 carrot, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons each of sugar, sake, and mirin. As always, I'm going to start with vegetable cutting, so carrot. Peel the skin. Cut the top and the bottom off. And just cut it into bite-sized pieces. Potato, peel the skin. Remove these eyes if you see any. Then cut into bite size. About the size. And onion, cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut it into half and slice. And chicken. You can use it with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. Today I'm doing it with the skin off. So let's remove the skin. And trim all the fat. Then cut into bite-sized pieces. About the size. Heat up some vegetable oil in the pot, about 2 tablespoons. When the pot is hot enough, add chicken. And cook it for a minute until outside of the chicken is cooked. It doesn't have to be cooked through here. So it's white outside but still pink in the middle. Add vegetables. And keep cooking until outside of the vegetables are coated with the oil. Let's get 200 milliliters of water, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons each of sugar, sake, and mirin. Put the lid on, turn the heat to medium low and cook for 20 to 25 minutes. It's been cooked for 10 minutes, so let's mix it to make sure it's cooked evenly. Put it back on and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. I cooked it for 25 minutes total, so let's check if it's cooked through. Potato's good. Carrot is good too. So turn the heat off and some. It's optional, but let's put some sliced green onion to make it look pretty. And torijaga is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some chicken first. いただきます。And potato. I think the beauty of this dish is potato that soaked up all the tasty broth. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Torijaga is the main dish, so let's put it here. Torijaga is seasoned with soy sauce, so let's have something that is seasoned with something else for the side dishes. So how about harusame glass noodle salad, which is seasoned with mayonnaise for one of them, and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.